So, it's Tuure's first time here at Daikoku Futo, and the crazy thing is, we finally managed to get down here. It's a Sunday morning. It's not even morning. What time is it? Like
afternoon? Yeah,
it's a little bit afternoon. But there's like a full Team Anija. Like, look at this. All these there's probably 15 Lamborghinis
at
here.
At least. There's more there. There's
15 Lamborghinis here. It's ridiculous. And a one-off Pagani, which is obviously, you'll see, I mean, it's crazy. It's the amount of cars here is nuts. And like the Team Anija people, they like to bedazzle everything. Like, it's in little, you know, glass beads or pearls or whatever you want to call them. Like, it says Anija on the car, and it says Lamborghini on it. It's all bedazzled. Like look at this. Pretty crazy.
It's pretty intense.
I'm glad you got to see that. I haven't seen this before either. Yeah, the Murcielago.
I think it's an SV. Is it? I don't know.
It doesn't say anymore. But against all odds, what I like about this one, even though it's a Murcielago, it's subtle.
Compared to the other.
Compared to the other ones, it's subtle.
Yeah. There's so many Lamborghinis here. They can't even fit in here. There's other cars like.
Yeah. You know what that is for?
That's for, I don't know.
That means this car has air jacks.
Okay.
Yeah. You plug your high pressure in, the whole car will lift up. This is a race car.
Well, if you see inside, you can probably figure out that it actually is.
This is a legit race car. Wow!
Actually.
Yeah, it's got a Motec ECU.
Hold on. Proper race car right here.
Best thing about this is you can see you have two exhaust pipes on top and two wastegate dump pipes below. That's why they're smaller.
Wastegate?
Yeah, they're dump pipes for the wastegate.
Are you sure?
That thing makes all the right noises and boost. Central lock wheels.
Yeah.
Big Brembo brakes, BBS wheels, slicks. These are actual slicks.
They are.
305 slicks. Yeah, this is gnarly. RSR turbo.
And 2 fire extinguishers in case you're too hot.
That's nuts.
What the hell?
Gross.
Ooh.
Look at the dish on this.
That's more dish than my kitchen.
That's ridiculous. Want to know the best thing about Diablos? This is a 300ZX headlight.
Well, is it really?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh my god. So funny.
Yeah, if you look on Diablos, they have this. All Diablos have this.
Okay.
Right? This is a little lip. This one happens to be carbon fiber. This lip hides Nissan.
Okay.
You can look on any Diablo, this lip will be there. Except for that one over there, because they bedazzled it.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, that's...
It would say...
Look. Plexiglass, acrylic wing studs, wing stands.
Why not?
That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy.
Yeah. So.
See it?
Yeah. So that's what you would color the vehicle.
It says Nissan. Yep. It's the same thing.
Oh, look at that! Oh my god.
What?
That's a
thing is hella nice.
Dirty.
Oh, do you see that thing over there? Talk about his license plate. I love this.
Yeah, it's a hybrid.
That's funny. There's a lot of work in that.
For sure. Is that a crown?
I couldn't tell you what it used to be.
It used to be a crown.
How about a Mark II?
Mark II, okay.
Is he going to start it? I think he is. That's a Sunny GTIR. It's an all-wheel drive SR20. With the oil cooler out the front.
Yeah, it goes in style.
To think, 20 minutes ago there was 4 Lamborghinis parked here in a Pagani.
Yeah. All of these.
Or Scuba?
Scuba, yeah.
It's about an hour's drive.
Yeah. I like being a little stretch back there. These parts are full.
This is so good. This is so good.
That's the paint job in the back. You can repaint.
cares? This is amazing. I love the color on this one.
Yeah. It's like mustard.
I also love that it's got no chrome except for around the windows, because like normally the bumpers and whatnot were chrome, right?
Yeah.